For apple pie, we will need 375 grams of flour. First we will make pie crust, because pie crust must rest in the fridge for a couple of hours. 375 grams of flour, 20 grams of sugar, half of teaspoon of salt, mix together well. $195 grams of cold butter, and we will rub butter into flour. I combined flour and butter into fairly small crumb. We'll add water, cold water, and over here I've got apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon, and we will need for now 6 tablespoons of ice cold water. Add to the mixture. I can see not enough liquid. I will add another 2 tablespoons of cold water. Now we will need to bring everything together. Now we need to divide our crust pie. One piece will be a little bit more bigger than the other one will be top. We will wrap in clean wrap and we will send to the fridge. In a disc shapes, and they go in the fridge for 1 hour. And now we're going to make apple filling. We will prepare our apples. We will cut them and slice them. I'm not going to peel them. We'll leave skin. I've got roughly 700-800 grams of apples. A little bit of lemon juice. Lemon juice on the top. toast. I will cook my apples. In a fry pan I've got dollop of butter. We'll melt butter and put apples in the fry pan. Heat is medium low. Apples go in the fry pan. Sugar, you can control your sugar. And pumpkin spice. Lid on the top. I brought heat down. Apples must be soft. Won't take to cook long. Apples softened on the lid. I'm taking lid off, and we need to evaporate all liquid apples give it. Liquid has evaporated. I'm adding a tablespoon of cornstarch. Heat off. Apples ready. Now they must cool down completely. And while they cooling down, I will roll our pastry. crust ready for apples. When apples cool down, I will poke with fork some holes. Sides as well. Clean wrap on the top and goes in the fridge. Now we will make top crust for the pie. I will make fancy pie top. Cover the strips and they go in the fridge. Filling has cooled down. Pie crust rested nicely. I already preheated oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Filling goes in a pie. Couple of pieces of butter on the top. And we will make beautiful top. Looks beautiful. I will brush pie with egg wash and it goes in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After we will bring temperature down to 200 degrees and it will bake for 40 minutes. After, we will bring temperature down to 180 degrees and we will bake for another 10 minutes. Pie is ready. Now it must cool down completely and we will try. Pie cool down. I will cut now and we will try. Beautiful. Divine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put like. Thank you. Bye.